Do you want to install a new watch face on your smartwatch? Stay tuned to find out.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
To be able to add WATCHFACE to W26 Plus smartwatch, you will need to install the mediatek Smart Device app. The download link is in the description box. After the install is complete, connect to your smartwatch. The watch icon will enable when connection is successful. All apps and watch faces will be installed from My Applications menu. To install a new watch face, the files must be added to a manager folder that can be found under internal storage. Use any file manager application to browse and copy files. To test this, let's download the files from this website. The link is in the description box. Make sure to download less than 45 kilobytes only. W26 Plus has a limited memory, and from my experience, it will fail to install if the files are more than 45 kilobytes. Extract the downloaded files and copy it to App Manager folder. The newly added files will be available for install in the mediatek app. If there is an installed watch face previously, you need to uninstall it first. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.